Ah, good work, bounty hunter, on retrieving Fridge. Hey, guys, you, want to let me down? I don't really know how I got here, or what am I doing here? I mean, you all seem like pretty nice people, but, Silence, you. Okay, be that way. Press the button. I don't like how you're Hey, stop that! Stop! Anyways, soon my plan will be complete to become a main character. Have you even been anything before? I don't think so.
French. Hey, have any of you seen a guy that goes by the name of French? Or what do you call him, Sister Smith? We just call him Fridge. Oh, well, yeah, French.
No, I don't know what you're talking about, or
right.
who you're talking about.
Right, that kind of looks like French. What have you done with French? Let's get him! Get him, Sister Smith!
Should I do something? Nah, she's on a horse. What can she do? Ow! Well, I'm out of here.
Save Fridge!
I'm the bad guy. I'm gonna escape.
Fridge!
Oh, thank you. Well, let's do today's episode.